Friends, welcome back to Three Lady Chef. It's me Nahana Jaffer. We are introducing CNN travel based the world's 10 best foods. Massaman curry from Thailand. Neapolitan pizza from Italy. Butter garlic crab from India. Seafood paella from Spain. Masala dosa from India. Croissant from France. Arepas from Venezuela. Banichao from South Africa. Pastel nata from Portugal. Peking duck from China. Please do subscribe, share, like and comment, and also subscribe our channel for more recipes. Thank you.